Rain starts falling on the field, one gunshot fading in the distance. I hold my breath behind the trees, your presence closer than it should be. Scope on target, same as always, but today my finger won't move, just the wind. I tell myself I'll blame it on the rain. Something's wrong, it shouldn't feel like this. It's just a game, I know that much. But every time the rain hits your shoulders, I can't breathe. Trigger, I don't know why. You're the only one blurring in my scope. I can't pull the trigger, blame it on the rain. It's weight in my hands, I'll pretend I don't know what it means. On the radio, what happened, did you get him? No answer, I stay silent, you're still standing there. Used to be you were easy to face, used to be that's all it was. But now the scope won't clear, I wanna blame the rain, I know it's not the rain. Trigger, I don't know why. You're the only one blurring in my scope. I can't pull the trigger, blame it on the rain. This weight in my hands, I'll pretend I don't know what it means. We go back to being enemies, that's fine, that's enough. But you turned around, and I should have looked away. I can't pull the trigger, I don't I'll leave it unnamed one more day. The rain won't stop. The rain won't stop.